Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the description to updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is the human eye and the colorful world. Question number 1. Defect of vision nearsightedness, also known as Option A. Hypermetropia. Option B. Myopia. Option C. Presbyopia. Option D. None of this. The correct answer is Option B. Myopia. Myopia is also known as nearsightedness because person is able to see near object but cannot see far objects. Question number 2. The focal length of eye does not reduce less than a certain limit, more than normal eye near point, is known as Option A. Myopia. Option B. Hypermetropia. Option C. Nearsightedness. Option D. Both A and C. The correct answer is Option B. Hypermetropia. In hypermetropia, focal length of eye do not reduce less than a certain point, hence not able to see nearby objects. Question number 3. The focal length of eye does not increase beyond a limit is known as Option A. Hypermetropia. Option B. Farsightedness. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. Myopia. The correct answer is Option D. Myopia. Maximum of focal length of lens of human eye is considered as infinity. But, in myopia it cannot increase after a certain point. Question number 4. The light enters in our eye through Option A. Pupil. Option B. Iris. Option C. Cornea. Option D. Retina. The correct answer is Option A. Pupil. The light enters in our eye through pupil. Question number 5. The lens in our eye is Option A. Convex. Option B. Concave. Option C. Plano-concave. Option D. Plano-convex. The correct answer is Option A. Convex. Since the cornea is a curved surface, it acts like a convex lens and begins to focus the light rays. The light then passes through the pupil and hits the lens of the eye. The lens, also convex, further focuses the light so that it will hit the retina at the back of the eyeball. Question number 6. Which of the following is considered as a reason for hypermetropia? Option A. The eye lens is not able to contract. Option B. The eye lens becomes thick. Option C. The eye lens becomes thin. Option D. Both A and B. The correct answer is Option D. Both A and B. Cause of hypermetropia. I. The focal length of eye become too long. 2. The eyeball has become too small. Question number 7. What is the cause of presbyopia? Option A. Thickness of eye lens. Option B. Thin eye lens. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. Weakening of ciliary muscles. The correct answer is Option D. Weakening of ciliary muscles. Presbyopia is caused by a hardening of the lens of your eye, which occurs with aging. As your lens becomes less flexible, it can no longer change shape to focus on close-up images. As a result, these images appear out of focus. Question number 8. The visible light having highest wavelength is Option A. Red. Option B. Violet. Option C. Green. Option D. Indigo. The correct answer is Option A. Red. The visible light having highest wavelength is red. Question number 9. The visible light having lowest wavelength is option A, green, option B, violet, option C, red, option D, yellow. The correct answer is option B, violet. The visible light having lowest wavelength is question number 10. The human eye forms the image of an object at its option A, cornea, option B, iris, option C, pupil, option D, retina. The correct answer is option D, retina. The human eye forms the image of an object at its retina. Question number 11. The least distance of distinct vision for a young adult with normal vision is about option A, 25 meters, option B, 20 centimeters, option C, 25 centimeters, option D, 20 meters. The correct answer is option A, 25 meters. The least distance of distinct vision for a young adult with normal vision is about 25 meters. Question number 12. The persistence of vision for normal eye is in seconds. Option A, 1/16, option B, 1/8, option C, 1/5, option D, 1/12. The correct answer is option A, 1/16. The persistence of vision for normal eye is in seconds 1/16. Question number 13. Which of the following will have most refractive index for same medium of propagation? Option A, red, option B, violet, option C, yellow, option D, green. The correct answer is option B, violet. Question number 14. The rainbow formation takes place due to option A, dispersion of light, option B, scattering of light, option C, absorption of light, option D, both A and B. The correct answer is option A, dispersion of light. Rainbow occurs due to the phenomenon of dispersion of white light from sun. The dispersion of light takes place at the last refracting surface of water drops. Question number 15. The main reason of color of sky to be blue is option A, dispersion of light, option B, scattering of light, option C, total internal refraction of light, option D, none of them. The correct answer is option B, scattering of light. The main reason of color of sky to be blue is scattering of light. Question number 16. Consider the following situation. What can be said about emergent ray or rays? Option A, Vibgyor. Option B, a red light. Option C, a white light. Option D, a velvet light. The correct answer is option C, a white light. Question number 17. We see sunset _ actual sunset happens. Option A, 2 minutes after. Option B, 2 minutes before. Option C, when. Option D, both A and B is true, depending on situation. The correct answer is option A, 2 minutes after. The sunset and sunrises appears to be delayed as compared to their actual time due to the atmospheric refraction of light. The sun is visible to us about 2 minutes before the actual sunrise, and about 2 minutes after the actual sunset. Due to atmospheric refraction, sun appears to above its horizon during sunrise. Same happens at sunset. Sun setting below horizon appears to be above horizon. Question number 18. What would have been the color of sky without atmosphere? Option A. White. Option B. Blue. Option C. Dark. Option D. Red. The correct answer is option C. Dark. If the Earth had no atmosphere, there would not have been any scattering. Then, the sky would have looked dark. The sky appears dark to passengers flying at very high altitudes, as scattering is not prominent at such heights. Question number 19. Suppose you're in danger, and you need to give signal to save yourself. What color you prefer? Option A. Red. Option B. Yellow. Option C. Blue. Option D. Violet. The correct answer is option A. Red. Red light scattered least. That's why they are used to give danger signal, as it is least scattered by smokes or other dust particles. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.